Okay, welcome po rin ngayon. Welcome ulit sa second quarter na po tayo. The score is 23-28. Laman po ng 5 ang team. Hindi na control ni Candol, sayang. Ang team, Sky Team, ang blue po. Laman po sila po ng 5. The final score is as of now is 23-28. Good din po dyan po sila po. Si Arvin G. Vlog, si Jules. Sila po, medyo dalit po tayo. May kasi kung pinuntahan kasi importante kasi kaya muli, ito po ang AFL Friendly Aviation Friendly League. Dapat sa Flying League. Rebound by the white shirts. And Taka against Enteng. Wala. Nando si Enteng. Siguro the ball. Enteng, binababa ang bola. Enteng lumusot. Lumusot si Enteng lumusot si Enteng at si Yambao. Kick pass, ilalim, Shena, 2 points. 2 points Shena and a timeout call for sure by the AU or Airport United. Good din po sila po si Arvin G. Vlog, si Ju. And this is your first game for tonight between Airport United and of course the Sky Team. Airport United at 6-2 po ang kanila. They're now leading now in the lead. But Sky Team now is now in 5. Basta second place po sila or third place po. Okay, good din po sila po dyan. Ito po tayo. Balik muli po tayo at 4:02 remaining. Sky Team versus Airport United. Mag-halftime na po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Halftime na po tayo. Okay, halftime po tayo. Mag-halftime na. Shoutout po dyan kay Mr. Isa. Thank you po sir. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Kandol. To Taka, the main man. Taka. Binababa ng Taka ang bola. Taka, binababa ang bola. Taka. Yambao, naipit ang konti. Pinasa kay kay Kandol. Muntik na po. Taka, driving strong. Taka, nasundot. Eric Rama for 3. Wala. And out of bounds for Eric Rama. Okay, Eric Rama, nag-attempt siya. Wala po. Balik muna tayo. Okay, si Shena, yung kanyang veteran, nandyan, nagsama, si Enteng at si Shena, tandem. Sa kabila po, Gotano. Abregana, wala. And rebound by number 1. Number 1, naka-rebound. Binababa na. Kill. Nando si Kandol. Kandol, nakalusot. Pops up for 3. Malakas. Rebound, battle 1 by the white shirts. White shirts po, naka-rebound po. White shirts, naka-rebound. Maraming salamat. Pasensya na po muli po. Medyo na-rate po tayo ng konti. Umabot tayo ng second half na po tayo. Magsi-second half po tayo. Gokotano to Enteng. No, it's Abregana. Sinagasa. Tapos ang bola. Abregana 2 points. 23-32. Lamang muli po ng Siam ang the Sky Team over Airport United. And Eric Grama pops up. No good. Rebound battle 1 by Enteng. Mark. Nando si Kandol. Binababa ang bola muli. Kandol. Foul. Walang foul. No foul. And Shena. Wala. 20. Yambao. Cutter. Saganap siya. Fadeaway shot. No good. And down to si Shena. Shena, 2 points. Shena, kinalawa ni Shena ang bola. And binababa muli po tayo. Santiago, number 31. Santiago. Eric Grama. Eric Grama. And to Taka, number 31. No good. Nando si Shena. Parang pinutasan ng bola ang bata. Shena, nando si Kandol, hindi lang nakalusot. Shot kay D-Mac, shout out po kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ano to? Joe Gamit is watching. Hey, Enteng, 2 points. Mukhang full force po yata ngayon Okay. Meron na. May live na. Pops up Taka. Wala. Rebound by the white shirt. Number 1. Set shot. Malakas. Nando si Enteng. Enteng. Binababa ang bola. Enteng. Siena, 2 points. 2 points Siena, 2 points. Okay, 15 po ka lang. Lumulobo na po ka lang mga po ng Sky Team over Airport United. Please take note po, wala pa mga key players po ng Sky ng Airport United. Wala ka ng sentro. Wala ka ng forward. Wala rin ka ng and foul called also.
Foul is jersey number 8, Candol.
Jersey number 8, Candol, called for the foul. Candol called for the foul. Abrigana, number 3, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. First shot, man. Second throw, Abrigana, jumper's ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound and rebound Siena. Up si Daisy, traveling kay Siena. Natawag. Siena called for the travel.
Sorry.
Oh, next only. Okay. 53 seconds remaining. Okay, 15 seconds remaining po yung yung nalalabi sa larong ito. Kasi first up pa lang, 50 seconds remaining. Candol, double team. Candol nakalusot. Candol, naipit. Held ball situation. Held ball situation. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? White ball, sabi ng referee. It's white ball, sabi ng referee. And Taka. Nandun si Siena again. Siena. And no good. Siena. Nipit. Okay. White shirts. Nandun. Taka. Fadeaway shot. 2 points. Taka 2 points. Taka 2 points. Ginabang bola. Siena. And 1 pa binigay ni Siena. Siena and 1 play kay Siena. Candol, 3 personal foul na po siya. Ingat 8 lang po. Siena. Bonus free throw. It's in. The score rate is 25-42. Naipit po sa 25 ang Airport United. Nando si Candol. Candol. Santiago pops up. Pasok ang bola. 3 points. Confirm. It's 3 points for Santiago. Okay, halftime po tayo. Halftime po tayo. Habang tayo naka-halftime. Team, of course, QR Towers naman. After this po, sige tayo po yun, no? Magpilagdas po tayo. Halftime po tayo. Habang halftime, The score is 28-42. This is your Aviation Friendly Double sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Haring Padra, Thread the Needles. Nandiyan din po SPBA, RA, ako, Representation, PSBK Basketball League. First game po tayo ngayon, Airport United versus the Sky Team. Followed by QR Projects versus the Towers. And last game po tayo will be, of course, Oryx versus the In-Flights. Okay. Second half po tayo, start po ngayon. Okay. Okay, Royol, number 28, inbounding. Royol. And Yambao. Royol again. Abrigana. Royol, Kumat. Royol, nabantay. Ayun, sa ilalim. Ayun, nasundot. 3-second violation, sabi ng referee. 3-second violation, sinabi ng referee. Balik tayo, Kandol. Inabantay ni Abrigana. Naipit. Ayan, kay San Juan. Nasundot. And Abrigana against Kandol. 2 points Abrigana. Austin Parantes, shoutout po. Austin Parantes, nasaan ka? Santiago. Nandun si Taka, naipit si Taka. Hop! Abrigana again, 2 points. Okay, shoutout po kay Taka Pintan, Oryx ba Impret? Yes sir, Oryx po. Oryx Impret po sa third game po sir. Oryx Impret po tayo. Okay, sabi po ni Mr. Okay, is watching, si Mr. Mendoza. Nag-time out po ang Airport United, 28-46 po score po natin. Lamang po ng 18, I think so. Yes, 18 nga. 18, lamang po ng 18. Balik po rin po tayo, white shirts. White shirts po tayo. Okay, Taka, Kandol, binabantayan. Nakalusot. Lumusot na nga. Ayan. Up, muntik na. And rebound. Nice one. Morgan, binabantay si Yambao. Up. Backing violation, sabi kay Yambao. Backing violation daw, sabi niya ng referee. It's backing violation called. Jao Gamit. Boss, shout out. Okay, sir. Shout out din sir. Okay, balik ulit po tayo. Ito na, Kandol again. Kandol. Binababa ang bola. Kandol. Naldo si Abrigana. Again, one more time. Lumusot. Nalusot si Kandol. Kandol! Malakas. Injured data si Isa. Okay, Trapal called for a foul. Kandol shooting for 2. 28-44 po natin. 18 pong kalamangan po ngayon ng Sky Team. Kapos. Okay, again, one more time. Pops up, Kandol. Last throw ni Kandol. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, Beriol. Wait, blue ball. Blue ball po, sabi ng referee, it's blue ball. And time, binato kay Yambao kagad ng bola. 3-on-1. Yambao, nalusot. Taka na ka lang. Hop, foul. Taka having a field day today also. Napansin natin yan. Babad si Taka ngayon. Taka, binababa ang bola. Taka, hoy! Taka, wrong pass. Okay, buti na lang, sabi nila. Taka, binabantayan. Kandol.
Huwag na ako maglaro niyan eh.
Pwede pa, fourth quarter, pag wala na. Chris. Okay, thank you. Foul call by Morgan. Kaibigan Morgan, foul ko daw. Foul on Morgan, 7:48 remaining. Yambao, binababa. Trapal, kumuha ng bola. Trapal. Tapal. Nasundot ni Taka. Nasundot. Nice game by Taka. Turn around Santiago. 2 points. Basket made Santiago, yes. Again now, Mr. Abrigana. Abrigana number 3, crossover, power move, Royol, 2 points. 2 points Royol. And Morgan. Nandun. Diretso daw, sabit. Tako. Hop. Foul. Number 31. Jersey number 8 called for a foul. Okay, labas muna. Okay, si Kalilong pinasok niya. Okay, Kalilong pinasok na para kay Taka. Kalilong. Abrigana, naipit. Enteng, nilabas. And Kalilong, binababa ang bola ni Kalilong. Nandiyan si Kandol. Morgan, palpal. Morgan muli. Foul. Take 2. Enteng called for a foul. Morgan, number 24, shooting for 2. 30-40 po tayo. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. So, yata tuhod. Pops up. It's out. Enteng naka-rebound. Nice rebound ni Enteng. Securing the ball. Enteng binababa ang bola. Enteng lumusot. Nandun. Foosball rep. Okay, blue ball. Same ball to, sabi nila. Okay, labas muna. Okay, Yambao nilabas muna para kay Bryle. Yung nagpanalo nung nakarang laro nila. Buzzer beater na yon. Abrigana. Kick pass. Bryle for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Bryle. Nice shot by Bryle. 30-51, a 21-point lead. Being posted now by Team Sky Team. Nanakawan pa sila. Malimpasa. Kalilong. Kinuha na Kalilong bola. Kalilong. Nakalusot. San Juan. Dukot. Wala. Nasimplihan. Binato. Nandong tatlo nag-aantay. Kalilong din. Binabato. Binababa ang bola. Kalilong. Nice one. Pero hindi umubra. Same ball. May comment dito sa Aris. Bossing. Di ba may kanok ka sa third game? Teka lang po nga pala, sorry. Mali pala po, sorry. Cast Mechanicus pala po, third game po, sir. Okay, Cast Mechanicus pala. Sir, pasensya na po. Pasensya na po. Mali yung uploading. Nakamali yung uploading. Sorry po. Barat Aris, salamat po sa paalala po. Cast Mechanicus po ang third game po Cast Mechanicus po. Mali yung pagkaka-upload sa WhatsApp po. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Pops up, wala. Foul cold. Okay, tama. Okay. Enteng. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Eric Grama. Grama naka-rebound. Kalilong. 2 points, Kalilong. 2 points, Kalilong. 32-53. Siena. Kandol against Siena. Nagbabantay yung dalawa. Abrigana. Binabantay naman Santiago. Abrigana kusot. Wala. Na foul. Di naman, Scott. Pusog na ako Nagkamali na ng kaka-upload. Pasensya na po. Okay, correction po Cast Mechanicus po final game po natin today Cas and Mechanicus po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, thank you. Mali nga pagkaka-upload. Okay, Satires Manta. Shoutout kay Boss Enteng. Sabi ni Matayas. Riol. 2 points Riol. Kindiliwan na naman. Riol 2 points. Binababa ang bola ng Kalilong yung bola. Binababa ang bola ng Kalilong. Kalilong. Pops up. Grama. Wala pa rin. Riol naka-rebound. Sky Team. 32-50 at 23-point lead advantage with Sky Team. Abrigana scaling the defense. Trial for 3. Nope. Taka. Hindi na ko yung bola. Riol. 2 points Riol. Taka. Binabang bola Taka. Binabang bola Taka. Nope. Pops up Santiago. 3 points. 3 points Santiago. 35-57 at 22-point lead advantage. Still enjoyed by Sky Team. Shoutout kay Brazilian Chris Julius Babagay. Sir Julius, nasa na daw kayo? Hinahanap kanila. Pops up si Enteng. Wala. Rebound by San Juan. And kay Eric Grama. Nandiyan si Taka. Taka for 3. Nope. Sa kapos. Sir Albert Dino Marasigan is watching. Thank you po, sir. Enteng. Riol. 2 points Riol. No foul. Power move ni Riol. 2 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. Kalilong. Taka for 2. Kapos. Taka, hinahabol si Enteng. Nice one. Nice guard by Kalilong. Baba po tayo. Ito na. Shena. Abrigana. Shena again. Shena, nakalusot. Riol again. 2 points. Uy, nilabas. And Taka, nagmamadali. Taka, nilabas muna. Eric Grama, libre. Wala. Taka, naka-rebound. Taka, wag muna. Okay, nagantay ng ng bantay. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Rebound, Abrigana. Abrigana ka-rebound. And to Riol again. Riol to finish the game. 2 points. Ay, Sir Idol, good luck sa team project. Next game. Yes, sir. Projects and QR Towers po tayo. Next game po natin. Followed by Mechanicos and Cas. I repeat, Mechanicos and Cas po tayo. Melvin is watching. Wala. Eto si Enteng. Binababa ang bola Enteng. Binababa ang bola. Gokotano. Kinaliwa. Tumulay lang. Santiago. 33 seconds remaining. Palpal. May foul. Sabit si Riol. Riol sumabit. Nasabit si Riol. Nasabit si Riol. Santiago, first shot. Wala. Second throw. Santiago, jumper's ready. Santiago, second throw. Jumper's ready. Pops up. It's in. Okay, pasok. 36-61. At 25 po the advantage still been enjoyed by the Sky Team. Shena. Riol. 2 points. Buwan skandal. Kalilong. Nalusot. Nasundot. And wala na. Third quarter is ended. Ang score po natin is 36-63. A 27-point lead advantage been enjoyed by the Sky Team over Airport United. Next game po natin to, ha. Gago Rizal, hindi ko nakita. Okay, next game po natin, ito. Ayan, ha. Next game po natin, ito po ang final game po natin. Cast versus Mechanicos, mamaya, after ng QR Towers and the QR Projects. Okay, balik back to the ball game ulit po tayo for the fourth and final quarter. Okay, ito na. Eric. Si Melvin nanonood. Si Melvin is watching. Okay. Ito Kandol again. Kandol. Number 8, Kandol. Kalilong, power move. Foul! Foul call. Okay, Kalilong. Kalilong po. Imba. Kalilong. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Kalilong, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kalilong, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Okay. Bryle again. Binababa ang bola. Bryle. Bryle. Nakalusot. Again. Siena. Bryle again. Binabantay niya kanyang arko. Enteng. Pasok ang bola kay Enteng. Enteng 2 points. 9:07 remaining. Mahaba pa yan. Sige. Manuel Francis defense watching. Taka. Wala. Rebound. By Enteng. Enteng. Siena. Sa ilalim. Lumabas. Tapos. Kalilong. Binatong bola. Kandol. Kandol for 3. Nope. It's Eric Grama. Grama. Grama Eric for 3. Nope. Out of bounds. Same ball. Ayaw. Correction. It's Sky Team ball. Yambao. Naipit. Wala. Rebound battle. One by Yambao. Sky Team. Sky Team again. Sky Team. Nakalusot. Good ball. Pinababa ang bola. Kalilong pops number 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Nice pass sa Betaka. San Juan, no good. Wala pa rin. Kandol, Landon. Landon si Kandol, hinabol ng bola ni Kandol. Kandol. Kandol, Kandol, Kandol! Done. Bryle. Bryle, 2 points. Basket play for Bryle. And si Kalilong. Kandol. No, it's Taka. Wala pa rin. Binaba naman kay Siena. Enteng. Taps up. Pasok ang bola kay Enteng. Snipe lang si Enteng yun. SG. Grama. SG again. Pops up for 3. Nope. Siena. Siena again. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Kalilong. Binato na kagad kay Kandol. 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 Easy 2. 38-69. Lamang po ng 29. Ang Sky Team. 6:26 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Enteng sa ilalim. Lumabas. Fadeaway shot. Pasok ang bola kay Enteng. Kandol. Same ball. Naisasa ni Kandol. Pops up. SG. No good. Rebound San Juan. Sa ilalim. Ilabas mo na ulit. SG again. Kapos. Pasok na. Sa wakas. 3 points. 41-71. A 30-point lead advantage already. Kapos. Taka. Hinabol ang bola. Taka nagchacha. Eric Grama. 2 points. Oh, 28. Kalamangan. 28. And Siena again. Siena. Binababa ang bola. Siena. Enteng, thinking 3, pops up. 3 points, Enteng. Enteng, 3 points. San Juan. Kalilong. 2 points, Kalilong. Basketball kay Kalilong. 28. And Bride, hinabol ang bola. Wala na, out of bounds. Taka nilabas muna para kay Santiago. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Enteng, binababa. Enteng, oy! Enteng, nawala ang bola sa kanya. 45-72. 45-73 ang score po natin. 28 Kalamangan. Santiago nakalusot. Floater shot, malakas. Rebound, Enteng. Kick pass. Siena, Braille, tapos. 4:25 remaining. Patapos na po ang ating first game. Santiago, wala. San Juan, out of bounds. Blue ball. Ay, hindi. Same ball. No, it's blue ball. Last touch ng white. Braille, binababa ang bola. Braille. Siena. Enteng na naman. Sige. Wala. And out of bounds. White ball to sabi, white ball. Ball is white. Eric na naman for 3. Pasok! Okay. Labang na dalang 27. 27-point lead ang advantage ngayon. Still, Siena again. Siena. Nakalusot. Hindi. Binabantayan. Santiago ang Siena. Walang pinasahan. Mali. X. Nice si Sana. Kalilong. SG again for 3. Bang! Babaan nila. Sige. Pit contest 75. Enteng. 2 points, Enteng. Billy Siena, 2 points. Santiago, foul. Foul on number 21. Si Hans. Hans called for the foul. Santiago, 31. Shooting for 2. Wala. Second to 31. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. 2:51 remaining. Siena. Yambao. Pumposisyon. Yambao. Pops up sa gilid. Wala. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Yambao again. Yambao. Difficult shot. Wala pa rin. Yambao muli. Boom. Ako. Nice rebound by San Juan. Nakalusot. Si Eric. For 3 again. Out of bounds. Offline. Enteng, binababa ang bola, Enteng. Bryle, hindi umabot ang pase ni Enteng kay Bryle. Hindi umabot. 2:09 remaining. Bola. Eric Grama. 3 points again. Shena, nawala ang bola. Bro. Maki. Mami na. Thank you. Mami na, lumapasok sa sali. Wala. Santiago, 2 points. 54-77. Okay, timeout ng Sky Team po. 56-77 ang score po natin. At 21-pointed advantage po na lang ng Sky Team over Airport United. Papalapang ang laban. Okay, 56-77 po tayo. Si JD nandiyan pa sa kabila. Wala naman yung sinamang yun. Okay, back to the ball game. 140 remaining. Riol. Enteng. Binababa na Enteng yung bola. Siya mo yung nagtitimon. Shena. For 3, pasok ang bola kay Shena. Shena, 3 points. And Eric naman, pops up. Yes, sir. 3 points, Eric. Okay, 3 points again, Eric. 24 kalamangan. Brian naman, 3 points din. Santiago, SG naman, Balayo. No good. And out of bounds. 58 seconds remaining. Shena, binato kay Bryle. Bryle, nakalusot. Same ball. Pops up. No good. Same ball. 46 seconds remaining. 45 seconds remaining. Enteng. Pops up. Nilabas. SG. Santiago. For 3. Kapos. Candol. Eric naman. Trying for 3. Candol. 2 points. Okay. Riol, dumiretso pa. Shena. Riol. Okay, that's it. Final score po natin, 61-83. Winner ang Sky Team. Okay. Okay, final score po natin, 61-83. Panalo po ang Sky Team. Maraming salamat po. Kastamay po tayo sa segment po natin between QR Towers and, of course, QR Projects.